Hey guys, what is going on? It is RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now, if you are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I have got my DEERC Sandy out with me. So some of you guys might remember this RC. It's a pretty reasonably priced RC. I think it's only 70 or 80 bucks. But it is a 1/18 scale. I suppose it would be considered a monster truck. It comes with 2 little battery packs. Claims it's capable of 25 miles per hour plus. I'm skeptical if it can actually get up to that fast, but it moves it along at a decent clip. It is just brushed. It's not brushless. I've done a test with it. I did an unboxing. I'll go ahead and put a card in the corner of the video if you want to watch the unboxing. And then I also did a test. I also put the card in the corner for the first test I did with this machine. But yeah, she's still muddy. I never cleaned her after I ran her in the dirt, but found a good place to stop and try to run her in the snow. So I've never tried this thing out in the snow. And I thought, why not go ahead and try it out in the snow, see how she does. Snow is pretty hard and packed down, so I think she'll stay on top of it. So maybe we'll actually get through it. But anyway, let's go ahead and jump right in this video. First, we can start off with a little bit of ice action. Actually gets moving. That's actually pretty cool. It is 4-wheel drive, of course. Like, it's a pretty fun RC for the price. Like, it's not very expensive. It might even be like 60 bucks. I'd have to look up exactly how much it costs. It's only like somewhere in the $60 or $70 range. And I do think that they have an upgraded, more expensive brushless model too, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong if you know, but I think there's also a brushless option, which does cost quite a bit more money though, I think. I think that's well over $100 for that machine, but... Like, it's not the fastest machine in the world. I'll go ahead, I'll show you how fast it is. Not super fast, but it's not slow either. It's kind of in between. It's in between fast and slow. How about launch? Are you guys ready? Get set, go! You guys can see it's not super fast, but it moves. I'm pinned. Yeah, it claims 25. I don't believe there was an optional gearing. I think this is the only gearing that came with it, whatever is already installed. And I don't know, I'd say more like 15. 15, maybe 17. I don't even think it's going 20. I think it's even under 20, to be honest. It has a little bit of speed, though. Not the slowest thing in the world. That's for sure. Very zippy machine. All right, before I drain this battery, let's go ahead. Let's go in the snow real quick. See how she does. I don't know if anything's waterproof on this. I think it might be. I can't remember. Come on. Oh yeah, 1/18 scale. Still showing it has some capabilities. Ooh. Must be open diffs. It's got to be open diffs because check it out. That one's spinning, that one's not. That one's spinning, that one's not. Might have to help it. Yeah, this snow is pretty hard. It's not going to make it over that. High centered still. That's topped out in the snow. Definitely not fast in the snow. You know, it's 1/18 scale, so it's pretty small. I think it might be the smallest RC I own in scale. I don't know if it's actually the smallest RC, but scale-wise, I think it might be. How about if we get a huge run up? So go all the way over there and bring it with as much speed as possible. And then maybe we can get a little bit of air. It probably isn't going to be very much so. Also, by the way, guys, if you are enjoying my content, make sure to go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. And if you do, make sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I come out with new videos, because I do travel for work, which I'm actually traveling for work right now. And I stop at new places all the time, and I run my RC cars, so you don't want to miss new videos. So that's why you want to subscribe and hit that bell. Yeah, let's see if we can get a little bit of air. I am pinned. Oh my gracious, did you see that air? I'm going to put that back on slow-mo. Let's try another one of those. Spin around, full throttle. Ooh, a little bit of air. Not very much at all, but still. And we tumbled it. Like I said, it's not the fastest thing in the world. There's definitely faster options out there, but for a good entry-level RC, I would definitely recommend this. Also, by the way, I do have a link in the description, affiliate link, where you can actually purchase this. And if you do use that link, it does really help out my channel. I do receive a very small commission, but if you do want to support the channel, I would greatly appreciate it if you did buy through that link. Let's keep on going. Ready for a launch? 1, 2, 3, go! It might get stuck over here. The snow is actually pretty soft over here, so... Oh! Yep, stuck. Oh, I can back out of that. It can get through a little bit of snow. Come on, baby, dig and claw, dig and claw. She's still tanking away, just plugging away. Look at that. I mean, it has a little bit of capability, you can't deny. I mean, I've seen less impressive machines that have cost more money than this, actually. If this was smooth, it would probably go a lot better. Like, you can see where it's smooth, actually, it really does get moving. But then where it gets all rutted, it can't really move nearly as fast. Here's something we should do. We should jump it off the picnic table. We don't want to do too high of a jump. We'll jump it off at this part right here. So graceful. That was phenomenal. All right, guys, we do still have some battery left, but I got to keep on moving. I got to head home. I'm on a bit of a time constraint, but if you did enjoy the little bit of ripping with the 1/18 scale DRC, I believe it's DRC. It's either DRC or DRC. I think we're calling it DRC. I think that's what I've been told in the comments, how it's pronounced. So if you did enjoy the little rip with the 1/18 scale DRC Sandy, make sure to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell. And I look forward to seeing you guys next video. Later.